This one's for the people. Welcome back to the Dr. Wok sessions, and this is how to season a carbon steel wok, so a traditional wok, on an induction hob. Now everyone says it's impossible, but it isn't. It's actually not dissimilar to how you season on a gas hob, because so long as you know where your center of heat comes from on your induction hob, your carbon steel wok is usable on an induction hob because it's sort of creates that electromagnetic force field. And much like seasoning a normal carbon steel wok on a gas hob, you need to burn it twice. But before you burn it, you need to scrub it clean with a bit of wire wool. So give it a good scrub, a little bit of detergent's fine, absolutely fine, no problem at all. Give it a good scrub so you get that sort of shop layer, that protective layer off the wok. Once you've cleaned it, then you're going to burn it for the first time. No oil at this point, just straight onto a medium-high heat to high heat. You don't want to buckle your wok, so don't go too high straight away. But so long as it's on a high enough heat that it starts to change colour and it goes through all these sort of bluey red sheens, you'll see it changing colour pretty quickly. Once you've got the base changed in colour, then you want to tip your wok up with the handle, much like you would do on a gas hob, to burn the edges of your wok. Don't forget, you need to know on an induction where that center of heat is coming from. Once you've got that point, just keep turning the edge of that wok around to be able to season the sides of the wok. Once you've done that all the way around the wok, you take a little bit of kitchen paper with a dab of vegetable oil and just rub that vegetable oil, a thin layer, around the inside of the wok. Burn number 2. Exactly the same way, your base first on a medium-high heat, get it to a smoking point, allow the smoke to smoke up, get your extractor on, open your windows, and just let it smoke. Once it finishes smoking, the texture of the inside of the wok should go from gloss to matte. And then you know that part of your wok is seasoned. Don't stop there. You're going to then turn the wok up onto the side, and you're on your induction. Make sure you're in that center of heat, that your hob gives out the best heat. Keep turning that all the way around. The whole process takes about 20 minutes or so. Once that carbon steel wok has been seasoned on your induction hob, use it as with anything. Make sure you clean it well and make sure you dry it always on the hob. That's how to look after your carbon steel wok on an induction hob.